Everyone, it's Yorkymom, August the 14th, and I'm showing off the littlest bittiest little girl. She's just over 10 weeks old now. I want you to see her in a cute little dress. I propped her ears up because they're still kind of going up and down. They're about halfway up now. You see how beautiful she is. She is very cobby. She is so short. She's just square everywhere, and she's just a little bitty cobby little thing. Let's put her down. See how long she runs in her little bitty dress here. Oh, there she goes. Woo! See if we can keep her on the camera. Oh, she's losing her bow. You're losing your bow. I hope this is on camera. Look at her. Okay, I'm going to save you. Hold on. Oh my goodness.